Hi everyone, my name is Sharice Ayers, and today we will be going over a comparative review of effective nanotechnology applications in medicine for drug delivery systems. In this presentation, we will be going over some background, objectives and goals, relevance and significance, specific aims, the project plan, as well as the timeline. For more than 60 years, the field of drug delivery has advanced into its own discipline of science. The first advances occurred rapidly in the mid to late 1900s, with their clear impacts being made through many new formulations specifically for clinical use. One of the biggest contributions that drug delivery systems have made was increasing ease of use, adherence to particular policies, standards, and specifications. In the earliest application of drugs, they had to be administered to patients about 3 to 4 times a day, and they were taken at odd times, making it hard for patients to follow. To combat this issue, controlled release substances were created, which reduced the amount of administrations to twice a day, and allowed for the development of different drug technologies such as dissolution, diffusion, osmosis, and ion exchange. These new technologies paved the way for future technologies to take a look at limitations and how we can provide solutions to some of these issues. One of the most novel approaches to drug delivery right now is the use of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is the branch of study that focuses on technological development and controlled manipulation at the atomic, molecular, and macromolecular level. Nanotechnology paves the way for more highly specific medical intervention at the molecular scale, especially when looking at most efficient drug delivery methods. As with other prior methodologies before it, it has a huge potential to revolutionize drug delivery. As of right now, a significant portion of research within this field is focused on drug delivery nanosystems on both nano and microscale systems. This literature review proposal will examine existing literature that discusses drug delivery systems using nanotechnology applications versus other drug delivery-based systems in medicine, and will identify which applications have been the most advantageous for targeting and treating disease, while also reviewing and assessing the various mechanisms of action and side effects. The primary objective of this proposal is to outline outstanding applications of nanomedicine, showcasing points that make it effective while also discussing limitations that may have been documented throughout their use. Currently, there are many articles that show information from individual studies, and a comparative review of effective nanotechnology applications in medicine for drug delivery systems is beneficial. Therefore, the overall goal is to present a summarized comparative assessment of the most effective drug delivery systems using nanotechnology. 4 specific aims were focused on while conducting a comparative review of effective nanotechnology applications in medicine for drug delivery systems. Aim 1 covers the efficacy of use of nanotechnology-based drug delivery systems in medicine. This aim will focus on the research of the history of drug delivery systems, main concepts, and theories that were applied to nanotechnology within the field of drug delivery vehicles. This information will provide a framework of how drug delivery-based systems were successful in the past and what the most effective methodologies were. Aim 2 focuses on the limitations that currently decrease our ability to design optimal drug delivery systems. In this aim, it is important to note that not every methodology within drug delivery has proven rates of efficacy, such as the development of reliable methods of delivering treatments to targeted cells, ensuring treatments reach the correct structures, incorporation of systems that can bypass cellular defenses, transportation of drugs to specific intracellular sites, and the release of drugs in response to specific molecular signals. Specific Aim 3 focuses on the significance of furthering research within this field. The goal is to showcase the most successful points within the use of nanotechnology within drug delivery so that we can pave the way for future research studies to discover the full potential of utilizing nanotechnology in medicine. Aim 4, or the future objectives of drug delivery systems in regards to nanotechnology, focuses on creating the most successful systems and how we must have a better understanding of nanoparticles being used to deliver different types of medications, how exactly it can be delivered, how the body will respond, as well as any side effects that may occur. we will need to evaluate how to overcome limitations and shortcomings, assess current methods, and present suggestions on how to combat them. The project plan for this literature review is broken down into 5 steps. The first step is to collect information on each specific aim to provide an overall guide of the structure of the project. The second step is to conduct an article or literature search using several different databases. Step 3 is to conduct more fine-tuned research using keywords that best match each specific aim. Step 4 is the analysis of anticipated results using collected articles that address specific aims and research questions. And lastly, Step 5, refinement of keywords and research questions. The 3 diagrams here show a timeline of the literature review. The timeline shows the project week, the tasks that will be done, potential issues, and solutions to any problems. Thank you for watching. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions or concerns.